In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an appointment schedule in Google Calendar, a comprehensive guide specifically designed for teachers navigating the 2025 updates. Let's dive right in. First things first, head over to the Google Calendar website. If you're not already signed in, you'll see a sign in button in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to proceed to the sign in page where you'll need to enter your Google account credentials. Make sure you're using the account that you want to create the appointment schedule with, especially if you manage multiple Google accounts. Once you've logged in and are on the main Google Calendar page, your next step is to create an appointment schedule. Look for the plus create button, which is usually on the left-hand side of the screen. Clicking on it will prompt a drop-down menu where you'll select appointment schedule. This action will open a new window, allowing you to start setting up your appointments. Enter all necessary details here, such as the name of the event and how long each appointment should last. You'll see an area titled General Availability. Here, determine which days and times you're open for appointments. You'll want to make these selections carefully, balancing your availability with your other commitments. If you need to repeat this schedule weekly, there's a convenient option that allows you to select Repeat Weekly. Moving on, don't forget to set your time zone correctly. This step is crucial to ensure that all your appointments are displayed at the correct local time, both for you and your participants. Next, you'll click on the scheduling window, which allows you to adjust start and end times as per your preference. This lets you have more control, ensuring appointments do not overlap with other important events on your calendar. After tailoring your schedule, navigate to the calendar section by clicking on it. From here, you should find the booked appointment settings. It's wise to review these settings to ensure that they align with how you want your appointments to be managed. Once you're satisfied, click on Next. You will now arrive at the booking page photo and name section. Here you can add a personal touch by including a professional photo and a name for your appointment schedule, which gives it a more personalized feel. If needed, you can add further details under Booking Form. This might include any additional information you wish to collect from the attendees before they book a spot. You'll also see an option for booking confirmations and reminders. This is where you set up automatic emails that will confirm and remind attendees about their appointments. Finally, ensure all settings are correct and complete by hitting Save. To wrap up, you'll want to share this schedule with your intended audience. Simply click on Copy Link and send this to your recipients, granting them access to book appointments seamlessly. And there you have it, a fully functional appointment schedule in Google Calendar, all set for your teaching needs.